Hello everyone, welcome back to F5 Developers. Sorry for the inconvenience in the previous video, and now I am going for the new video for you guys. We will discuss about the how to dress up your sprite in the Scratch. So let's continue our session. Hello everyone, let's have a recap of how to start your Scratch. You have to write in a search engine scratch.mit.edu, and whenever you start your home page, see this is our home page, and if you are new one, join it from here, join Scratch, write your email, user ID, password and log in directly. Otherwise you can, if you have the ID, sign in with the help of here sign in button and click on create. So guys, this is our platform where we are going to work the animated part. Where this is our sprite, our object, and this is our programs part. The motion, looks, sound. This is the programmable blocks which helps you to program your animated video, animate your sprites. So why we are using motion? Motion means your gesture, posture, your angles. This comes under your motion blocks. And looks, your outer looks, your smile, your costumes are comes under the looks. So here we are using looks. Under looks you have multiple options of changing your costumes and colors. All inside your sound you have to change the sound of your Sprite events. When you start your program, or you can say when you are going to start your own game in the Scratch, you need to explain by events and control. In control section, you have some conditions, some repetitions, weight, and all. We will discuss it all, and right now we will discuss the costume part, this one, and the sound here, how to add these things, and most probably how to change your sprite. From this option you can choose your new sprite here to change the background. So today we are going to make a dress up your sprite. This is our project for today's topic. So how to do it? For dress up your sprite we need some sprites and some costumes to dress up that. So right now I'm going to delete this sprite one. Now choose a sprite. Go to the fashion section here and see. I'm going to select this one. And whenever you select this girl or any sprite, come to the costume section. You have found a multiple costumes are there, means a multiple options for you to how to select which kind of dress, sorry, which type of object you want to select, means characters, different characters we have. So I'm going for this one or that one, if it's your choice. So I'm going for first one. So let's come back to the code section and set its initial position. What is the initial position? You have to understand the initial position. See the x-axis and y-axis. What is x-axis and y-axis? X-axis is a horizontal plane and y-axis is a vertical plane. Whenever I change my sprite position, you can see the x position and y position gets changes. So this is the position of our sprite. X-axis is minus 159 and y-axis is 25. So how to set its position? whenever you are in whenever we click the flag button, we want to change the position of our sprite to its initial position. So go to the events, take when the flag clicked. Whenever I click the flag button, again go to the motion. What to do? Go to its initial position, means x axis this one and y axis 25. So what is the benefit of these two codes? Whenever by mistakenly if I remove my sprite position from its initial position, you can see whenever I click the flag button, it's come to its initial position. This is the meaning of these two blocks. Likewise, we have to set some different sprites. So go to the fashion section again and see I need a dress. I'm going for dress and set its initial position again. How to set it? First drag it to whatever position you want and then go to the events. Take this button when flag clicked, go to the motion and go to X position and Y position. Likewise, again choose your sprite and then go to motion fashion. Then I'm going for the goggles. Set its initial position again. Go to the events. Take when the flag clicked and then go to the motion. Again you have to select it. Go to X and Y position, which is here. The same thing is written here. Whatever position is here, 10, X is 10, Y is 53. Same thing is written here. If I remove this and if I change the position of your goggles like this, see right now the position is X is 0 and Y is 3, and same way the position is changed automatically. And then go to the sprite section again and select some interesting one. Let's go for shoes and set its initial position again. Go to the events, take when the flag clicked, go to the motion, go to its initial position. Likewise, you can go for many more. Let's go for one more thing. I want to do some party hat. Go for this one. Okay. Set its initial position. Go to the events. Take when the flag clicked. And again go to the motion and select go to X position or Y position. Now you might be confused. Sir, all these things are good, but what is the use of these codes? What is the use of this topic? Dress up your sprite. So let me continue now. Go for your dress. Set the dress like this. See, you can decrease the size of your dress. Let me go for 90. I can see. Set it first. Now go to the event section and select when this sprite clicked. That means whenever I click the sprite, which sprite? The dress one, the dress one. Whenever I click the sprite, go to the motion and glide 1 second to its position right now. What is the position right now of the dress? See, X is 150 minus 159 and minus 4. So you can see the magic like this. Click the flag button, say, and whenever I click it, it automatically comes to its position, the set it position. This is the meaning of these two blocks. Whenever I click the flag button, see this block is activated, go to its initial position, and whenever I click on that sprite, it automatically come to its set it position, this position within 1 second. Likewise, we have to do for the goggles. Go for it. Set it first like this, and same way go to the events. Take when this sprite clicked, and then go to the motion. Take glad 1 second to its position. Okay. Likewise, go for the shoes. Set it first, then go for the events. Take when this sprite clicked, then again go to the motion and take glad 1 second to its position, x value and y value. Likewise, see this party where the party costumes are good, the party hat is not good. So you have to change the costume. Go to the costume, change it. See, I want to go for this one. Now set it first like this, and now again go to the events when this sprite clicked, and go to the motion, take glad 1 second to its position. Now guys, see this is the option of full screen. Control, click it, and whenever I click the flag button, remember the code. Whenever I click the flag button, go to its initial position. So all are in its initial position, and whenever I click on this sprite, it automatically goes to the set it position. Glad 1 second to its set it position. So this is the fun, and likewise you can go for many more programs, many more activities. We will discuss many more things in our upcoming videos. Thank you.